Today we're going to dive into an exciting unboxing and review of the ASUS ROG Strix 4K gaming monitor. This beast of a monitor is designed with gamers in mind, offering top-of-the-line features that make it a fantastic choice for anyone serious about gaming. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this monitor has something to offer. So, let's get started with the unboxing. Opening up the box, we first encounter the usual suspects, a user manual to guide you through the setup, some cool ROG-themed stickers to show off your brand loyalty, and of course, a variety of cables. ASUS has been generous, including a DisplayPort cable, which is great for maximizing the refresh rate, and a power cable. They've also included a nice little accessory bag, perfect for keeping all those tiny bits and bobs organized. Now, let's talk about the main attraction, the monitor itself. Removing the protective foam, we reveal the sleek and stylish ROG Strix panel. The design is stunning, with ultra-thin bezels that give it a modern and clean look. This is not just a monitor, it's a statement piece for your gaming setup. The main body is easy to handle, and the stand assembly is a breeze. ASUS has designed it with a toolless setup in mind, which means no fiddling around with screws or bolts. You just snap the parts together, and you're ready to go. There's a handy latch system that secures the monitor to the stand with a simple click. It's secure yet easy to dismantle if you ever need to move or transport it. The stand itself is quite versatile. It's fully ergonomic, allowing you to adjust the height, tilt, swivel, and pivot the monitor. Whether you prefer your screen in landscape or portrait mode, the ROG Strix has got you covered. This flexibility is perfect for gamers and professionals alike, giving you the ideal viewing angle, whether you're deep into a game or working on a project. Now, let's get into the connectivity options. This monitor comes loaded with ports. There's an HDMI port for connecting your console or other HDMI devices, a DisplayPort 1.4 for high-performance gaming, and a USB Type-C port that supports DisplayPort. The USB-C is particularly useful for modern laptops and devices, offering a one-cable solution for video, audio, and even charging. It's perfect for a clean and minimalistic setup. Additionally, there's a headphone jack, which is always a nice touch if you prefer using headphones or need to connect external speakers. Moving on to the technical specs, this monitor boasts a 27-inch display with a breathtaking 3840x2160 4K resolution. The clarity and detail are simply amazing, making everything from the latest games to movies look stunningly realistic. It has a 160 Hz refresh rate, which is a big deal for gamers. This high refresh rate, combined with a 1ms response time thanks to ASUS's fast IPS technology, ensures smooth and responsive gameplay. No more annoying screen tearing or input lag, especially with G-Sync compatibility and eLMB sync technology, which reduces motion blur. But it's not just about speed. This monitor also delivers on visuals. With DCI P3 color support and display HDR 400, the colors are vibrant and the contrast is deep. Whether you're exploring a vibrant fantasy world or editing photos, the visual quality is top-notch. It really brings out the details, making every scene pop with lifelike colors and sharpness. One of the standout features of this monitor is ASUS's Game Plus technology. This suite of tools includes an on-screen FPS counter, crosshair overlays, a timer, and alignment tools. These features are perfect for optimizing your gaming experience. For instance, the FPS counter helps you keep track of your system's performance, while the crosshair overlay can improve your aim in shooter games. These settings can be accessed easily via the joystick control on the back of the monitor or through the ASUS Display Widget software. Software is user-friendly and allows you to tweak all your settings from your PC. You can even set up different profiles for various game genres, making it easy to switch between optimized settings for different types of games. There's also a thoughtful addition to the stand, a small tray where you can place your mobile devices, whether you're keeping an eye on your phone for notifications or using it as a secondary screen. This feature is a nice touch for those who multitask. It's especially useful during long gaming sessions when you might want to keep your phone handy without cluttering your desk. Finally, let's talk about the overall user experience. Setting up this monitor is a breeze thanks to its intuitive design. The cable management system helps keep your setup clean and organized, and the intuitive menu navigation makes adjusting settings straightforward. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone who's just starting out, this monitor's user-friendly features make it accessible to everyone. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix 4K gaming monitor is a fantastic addition to any setup. It combines high-end performance with sleek design and user-friendly features. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience or need a high-quality monitor for creative work, this is definitely worth considering. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It really helps me out. Lets me know you enjoy this kind of content. And if you have any questions or just want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. I always love hearing from you guys. Until next time, happy gaming and take care.